All right, so today I'm going to show you how to make a handicap handrail for about $10. So we're going to my favorite store, Home Depot, and when you're looking for your piece of wood, just make sure you find the best piece that doesn't have any nicks or cuts or really deep knots. You can fill those, but I found this piece, so we're going to go ahead and get this one. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is measure the area and cut that to the length that you need your handrail, and then we're going to router around it just to give it that rounded, really smooth edge. Here it is up close, so you can see the difference in that sharp edge, and that this is just taking, just a little bit off the edges and making those rounded corners. All right, then you're gonna go ahead and sand this down. This is one of my favorite parts of the project. All right, now my least fun part of the project. So you're gonna get a stud finder and you're gonna find where the studs are. I would put at least 3 into this wall right here. So then you're gonna get a 2x4. We found this one in the garage, and you're gonna drill those 3 pilot holes, and then go ahead and drill a pilot hole into the stud. Trust me, it makes it so much easier. Go ahead and pre-screw in those screws so you don't have to hold that and the board up at the same time. And I had a little bit of a tricky problem with this one. It's really hard to hold that up and screw into a stud. So get your level, make sure it's level, and then go ahead and screw those other 2 on at the end. Push your body into it and you'll make it work. So now get that 2x6. This is the actual railing, and go ahead and do the exact same thing. You're gonna wanna drill a pilot hole, pre-screw your screws in so you don't have to hold that wood up and the screw at the same time. Put that level up after you put the middle screw in, just to make sure that it's level. And I'm starting to get a little bit better at this. You gotta hold it in there as you're screwing it in. Just press your body all the way into it. It's tricky, but you can do it. So here it is all done, and you can paint this or stain it. We didn't have anything at the time, so I went ahead and put that up so my father-in-law to be could go ahead and use that to get himself to the bathroom. I hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tools from Stacy DIY.